Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in the video. And today, about to clean with Will. Let's begin. We have to realize, bro, the people that hate on us, we have to look at where we at versus the opposite person, where they at. We have to look at that. We have to say to yourself, do I want to be like this person? Do I want to live my life like this person? Is this person someone I can learn from? Because most of the time, the most people that be hating on the next person don't have anything going on. 10 out of 10. And the people that talk less and support other people in this world have something going on in their life. Remember that. Don't count yourself down. If you're in a higher position versus the person that's hating on you down here, don't count yourself out. You're in the right position. Keep going in whatever you're doing. Don't give up. Don't lower yourself. Don't do it. Keep going. Because whatever you have is something that God bless you with. He puts you down here for a reason. You have a purpose in life. He ain't mistaking you at all. He know you. You are seen 24/7. Don't do it for the world, do it for God. Remember that. And whatever that you want in life will come to you. Will come to you, you know? You gotta put God first. Put God first and put the money second, you know? Because God will bless you with everything that you want. Everything that you want from his kingdom. The heaven is higher than the earth. This the earth and this the heaven. The heaven is higher. It's higher than the earth. Remember that. Also, when the time is right, it will come. When the time is right, it will come. So work on whatever that you want to work on, that you feel in your heart that you can do in your life over a decade or more, and be patient. Everything will come to you through your trust in God, have a relationship with God, and everything will come to you. God's plan for you is bigger than your problems in your life. I want you all to know that. Alright, that's it. Keep fighting for what you believe in and get my ebook today. I'm gone.